Hi guys, thank you to click on my video. Today I want to show you my new EPLAN API. I call that EPLAN PasteTool. But before start off my video, I want to say that it's not the EPLAN macro tool. It's not a macro that I call to generate automatically drawings. It's just a tool to allow you to save time when you copy and paste one component or many component to one page, from one page to many page. Therefore, to show how work my tools. For example, if I wanna copy, for example, the component on this page, from this page to the page 8, you can see that the page 8 is empty. And come back to the page 1. I select, for example, this text with graphic outline, with terminals, also this, also this. Then I launch my PasteTools. We have the first message box when we want the confirmation of this really the project that we want to execute the action. We can see it's okay, yes. Then we can select. We have Microsoft Form when you can see all page of this project. We select the page 8. Okay, we can see action completed on one page. And then if we come to the page 8, we can see the result. We can see that the copy was successful, instantaneous. Another example, for example, if I came to the page, to the page 2. For example, we want to copy this text. Sometimes we have the text and we want to copy it to many page. So we want to copy this text to the page 3, 4, 5, and 6. For example, we can see that all this page was empty. So we come back to the page 2, we select, I launch, yes. We say that we want 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we launch, action completed instantaneous for page. Then we can see we have all text on this page. Another example, for example, with article. If I want to copy, for example, an article in another page, I want to take this example, for example, with this retail cabinet light. I want to copy this to the page 8 again. So I launch, okay, yes, page 8, okay, instantaneous, action completed. And then if I came to the page 8, I can see that the article was pasted. So on this example is not right because we have a free phrase and it's not work, but it's just an example of so that's fine. And thank you to watch my video. If you like this video, don't forget to share and subscribe if you like EPLAN API.